Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both identities, your Xbox gamer tag and the Warframe account email. Sign into Warframe on mobile using the same Warframe credentials you use on PC or console. This is essential because Warframe uses account-level linking, not platform linking. Once signed in, enable two-factor authentication on your Warframe profile to prevent conflicts and verify ownership. Make sure Xbox is powered and connected. You'll use the in-game link, Flow on Xbox, to push the connection to your existing Warframe account. On Xbox, open Warframe and go directly to Settings, then Account. You choose Link Account, then select the mobile or other option. This tells the Xbox client to send a verification flow. Meanwhile, on your mobile Warframe app, keep the account dashboard visible. Warframe will show a link prompt or code. When the Xbox prompts, type the Warframe account email or the one-time code exactly as shown on mobile. This step pairs platform identity to the central Warframe account. Do it carefully to avoid creating multiple accounts. After entering the email or code, accept the link confirmation on your mobile device. You should see success on both mobile and the Xbox client. If you don't, sign out of both apps and retry, ensuring the exact email case and no extra spaces. Warframe treats emails precisely. If problems persist, check network stability, confirm two-factor prompts weren't missed, and verify Warframe server status. This single account link is the only supported method, so patience and exact inputs resolve most issues. Otherwise, contact in-game support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.